Now, a lot of us, okay, when we first see an order flow chart, we focus, okay, on this candle. We focus, okay, on this color of this candle, and our minds are actually, okay, programmed, okay, to just look at what this color is. But this color, we have to, okay, just put it aside, okay, for some time and try to understand, okay, why sometimes, okay, this color is red and why sometimes, okay, this color is green, or what really happened, okay, between the high and the low over here. So what we're doing is, in order flow, is we are adding data to a chart. We are adding information to a chart, and we are trying to find out what happened, okay, between the high and the low of the bar, or what happened, okay, between the open and the close of the bar, right? Now, the color of this candle is dependent on the open and the close, right? So if the close of the bar, this is the close. If the close of the bar is lower than the open, the color of the candle is red. Or if the close of the bar, of this particular bar, is higher than the open, the color of the candle is green, right? In order flow, what we do is like, okay, we don't pay attention, okay, to the information in the color of the candle. What we do is we try to find out, okay, what has happened, okay, between this buying and the selling. Now, this candle has closed over here at 11:15. Why did it close over here? Because, okay, it met, okay, a little bit of serious buying over here, and that, okay, took it from the lows of 51,219 and placed it right here, okay, around this 51,275, 280 mark, right? The same thing over here. This color became red because there is a 314 lot seller which came in exactly at 51,412 and pushed this from the high to this close. So what you are seeing is, you're actually getting a little bit more information than the open, high, low, and close of the bar. And you're seeing, okay, in this important points, okay, where the seller is operating and where the buyer is operating.